Hi friends, I would like to welcome you to this beautiful heaven, and I'm gonna talk more about it in the upcoming parts. So first let me tell you the name of this place. Well, this is called Sivasoorya Ayurvedic Healing Ashram, and it is managed by a wonderful person, Ravi ji, and he is a great yoga teacher and he's been teaching yoga for 35 years now. I heard about him and that's what motivated me to come here. I'm from Delhi, just to give you a little bit about myself, and I was searching for something divine, something relaxing, and I came across this website. That's how I landed here. I talked to Ravi ji and I felt really great, and I came here and just look at the view. And this is Trivandrum, so you can, from Delhi there is a direct flight to Trivandrum which you can take. Just come here and experience it yourself. Like as they say, I mean, I cannot tell you how it feels, I can just show you, but you have to be here, and then that's how you're gonna know how it actually feels. So just, this is the view. That's the Arabian Sea you see in front of you. Let me take you to the garden now. This is the garden, and it is also the way to the main villa where all the rooms are. So just look at the garden. It is so well maintained, and it is like this all around the year because Kerala has amazing climate, right? You can have your morning tea, if that is a part of your diet though, because you will get the detox tea only if you are part of the diet. Otherwise you can sip your hot water with a lot of herbs here. And I mean, you will feel very homely here because everybody is very close to each other, right? But still there you will find your space. It's not like somebody's gonna barge in your space. You will have that space with the feeling of home. And if you like sunbathing, we have sun lounges for you. You can relax here and do the sunbathing. There is the Shiva temple. So as a part of Hindu custom, we always bow to Lord Shiva for good fortune and good beginnings. I do that every morning and every time I pass this. These are all the rooms, as you can see. Let me show you the entrance. That is the entrance. And right in front of the entrance, you will find the manager's room, and you can communicate with him anytime you face any difficulty. So he's very close by, always available, and the kitchen is also right behind the manager's room. This is the garden for these rooms as well as for the lounging area. This is the beautiful garden which is gonna give you fresh air, good oxygen, and will be very relaxing for you. With the temple, we sit here and meditate at times when we really want to relax our mind, because most of the times this area is quiet and pleasant, and I mean, when it's sunny outside, it's the best to sit inside and meditate, right? So you can come here and you can really experience the positive vibes. Come with me upstairs. Kind of exercise, right? Okay, look who we have here. We have Raghu and we have Rama. So you will see them very often if you are staying in this place. They are lovely people, like others in this property. So this is what I was talking about. This is the dining area, and if it's too hot outside, then you can come here, sit and enjoy. He is currently plating, and he's gonna serve my breakfast for today. So let's see what we have for breakfast. Like I told you, it changes every day, and today is one of my favorites because I love South Indian food, and this is one of my favorites. So I'm gonna munch on it. I've had it quite often, so I can tell you before even tasting that it's really, really tasty. Just how I like it. The food is the best part, I tell you. But the food is totally sattvic. It's not gonna, do any kind of bloating in your body. And let me tell you, you will lose weight if you come here. So if you are actually looking for losing weight, losing the bloating, then definitely this is the place for you. So breakfast is done, and have a look at this. So this is kind of adding the water element, because I think we have all the other elements here, right? We have the air, the earth, and all the other elements. So water is also present. So it's kind of completing all the 5 elements here. So we have doctors available at all times, and this is the doctor, a lovely doctor, and she's there every time consulting me and talking about the medicines that I have to take, reminding me to take my medicines, which I was on. And it's not necessary that you have to take the medicines, but if you're suffering from some kind of ailments, you can consult and they will give you a pure Ayurvedic medicine for that. How are you, doctor, today?
Fine. And how are you?
I'm good as well, thank you. Raviji will be teaching you yoga most of the days, and he will be consulting you on any of your doubts regarding the philosophy of yoga and meditation. Like I told you in the beginning of the video, he's a wonderful teacher, and I was a beginner when I came here. I had never done yoga in my life, and after 14 days, Guruji, I think I have learned, right? Yes, it's all cause of him. His pace is totally fine for the beginners, and if I am able to do it, I know you will also be able to do it. So do come here and change your life. So this was the yoga room. Every morning at 6:15 you will have yoga here, and we recommend that you come on time. Opposite to the yoga and meditation room is my favorite room. Guess what it is? It's the Panchakarma treatment room. So all your Panchakarmas, which I guess you will be coming here for, the main purpose would be Panchakarma, right? So they all will be done here in this room, which is authentic Kerala Ayurveda room, I would say, with the steam machine and the bed. And there will be a doctor under the supervision of which your treatments will be carried out by these lovelies. I really love them. This is Gayatri, that is Sneha, and I think one is absent today. So there is Mitra as well, who would be there to take care of you. Let me sum it up for you. So basically the Panchakarma here will be under the guidance of 3 doctors, and there is at least one doctor who is available at all times. The senior consultant doctor is called Dr. Shehnawaz, and he has been practicing for I think over 40 years now. So he has a lot of experience, while the other 2 doctors are also lady doctors. They are present almost every time. I showed you one of the doctor we met, and the Panchakarma treatment are all authentic. I personally came here with ailments including high blood pressure as well as obesity. I have lost weight, and as I was on a diet, and my blood pressure is also under control. But yes, I was here for only 14 days. I would really recommend you should take a longer program, like at least 21 days or 28 days. The equipments are all authentic, like they were performed in the ancient times. So they are not using the modern equipments, because in the Vedas, in the real Ayurveda, this is the kind of equipments that need. So don't get like demotivated if you find it, that this is an old steamer. It's not like that. This has a purpose. they can have the modern as well, but it has a purpose because this is how it was done in the ancient times, and that's gonna give you the maximum benefit, right? So yeah, I mean, come here and experience yourself what I have experienced. I would really want every one of you from any part of the world, from any North India, South India, just come here and experience it, what I have experienced. Thank you so much.